Hi guys, welcome back. With Apple's September iPhone launch just around the corner, iOS 26 is nearing the completion. Apple has now shifted to weekly beta releases, and the 6th developer beta of iOS 26 is right here, bringing refinements to liquid glass, navigation, ringtones, and more. Now let's talk about the 7 new features and changes in iOS 26 Beta 6. So first off, I would like to highlight the all new ringtones. Apple has expanded the Reflection ringtone family with new variations like Buoyant, Dreamer, Take, Pop, Reflective, and Surge. Reflective is the same alternate version introduced back in Beta 2. There's also a brand new tone called Lil Bird. Next up, let's talk about the changes to the liquid glass effects. Toggles now feature a liquid glass animation when tapped. On the lock screen, the clock is slightly more transparent, while still keeping its frosted appearance. Passcode buttons have also been updated with increased translucency. And then I would like to highlight the navigation bar adjustments. Navigation bars across apps have been fine-tuned for better translucency without sacrificing readability. In certain areas, backgrounds are more transparent, while in others, opacity has been boosted to ensure text remains pretty clear. Next up, I would like to take your attention to the faster app animations. Opening and closing apps now feels snappier with a quicker animation that includes a subtle bounce, matching the motion effects added to the lock screen and control center. The option to toggle the classic mode in the camera app has now been removed. Classic mode, which reverses the scrolling direction when switching modes, is now the default with no way to revert to the previous animation. And then I would like to talk about an introductory video. Updating to iOS 26 now triggers a short welcome video that introduces users to the new liquid glass design elements. And finally, I would like to talk about the preview app redesign. The all-new preview app gets the larger buttons for creating and scanning documents. When scanning, the control buttons have moved from the top to the bottom of the screen for easier access. And that's about it. So these are the 7 major features and changes that have arrived in iOS 26 Beta 6. Now that you have got the access to the latest beta, take it for a long spin and say your thoughts about it. And I'll catch you up in the next one.